Hey guys, welcome back. God bless you. How's your day today? My day's been great. I'm going to go over what I EDC. So today, what I have on me is got my little compass and a neck knife right there, which is pretty nice. Comes in handy. Sharp, small, compact. And right here, I got flashlight. This is my Wildtac BSS V3 version 3. It's got a stainless steel strike bezel on it, and also comes with a ultralight or a red lens that I can switch out. Centerline Systems makes this pouch also for Buck Scout survival. I have my centerline belt on. I got a handcuff key here. Right here on the inside of this, there's a little tab, and inside there I got some handcuff shims. And then there's another one in the back here. One in the back, I got some lock picks and some cordage and a little ceramic blade in there. That's my, you didn't check my pocket. You got everything out of my pockets, but you didn't check my belt. There's my wallet. It's made by Centerline Systems as well. Made for Black Scout survival. It comes with a little Ulte clip. You can clip it onto my pants. On the inside there, on my pant pocket, it does not come off. Inside there, I got a handcuff key, one match, fire starter, some Kevlar cordage to cut through some zip tie handcuffs. I got some handcuff shims in there. I got a little diamond wire cutter, little saw. Got my titanium picks in here, my Dakota titanium picks. Locking and unlocking locks. That's what I carry in there. And this pocket, chapstick. Chapstick's really good. Can clog little nicks and cuts. Plus, my lips feel good. Got a lighter. And my matches. Waterproof matches in here. Fireman's best friend. And my karambit. This thing's beauty. I like it. Me likey. So that's about it. That is what I EDC on me pretty much on a daily basis. Oh, one more thing here. Magnifying glass, starting a fire. That's about it. I like fire. I feel comfortable when I'm able to have a fire if I'm in an area where I can. So that's what I EDC on me today. So that's about it. God bless. Take care. And always be prepared. Never know what happens. Anything can happen. Alright. See you guys later.